everybody. Hey, welcome back to today's video. This is Marybeth. I'm back with you, and we're going to continue to talk more about Profit Pals Pro. Currently, I'm in my back office of Profit Pals Pro, which is a very easy to navigate, super user-friendly, beginner-friendly back office. Okay? And we're going to begin by talking about the special bonus offer that I want to make everybody aware of, because I know you're going to absolutely love this, and this is something you're going to want to take a serious look at and give serious consideration to adding, because with Profit Pals Pro, you definitely need a lead capture page system. You have to have a lead management and lead capture page system to be able to collect the leads from your marketing efforts and get them onto your email list that you'll be able to build with follow-up emails going out regularly, consistently, and ongoing. Because you see, most people, when they look at an offer initially for the very first time, do not take out their credit card and make a spontaneous, instantaneous buying decision. Statistics usually indicate that on average it takes 4 to 7 exposures before somebody develops and acquires the confidence to make that all-important buying decision and actually takes action, takes the initiative, and moves forward and purchases it. So that's why you need to have a system where you are going to be able to collect the email, get them onto your email list, and have them followed up on. And this has a built-in autoresponder with pre-written follow-up emails that are going to go out regularly and consistently by the company on your behalf. Not to mention, the money is in the list and the fortune is in the follow-up, and that's exactly what this very lead capture page and lead management system is going to be able to evoke for you. Okay, it's going to help you to get paid, because it's going to help you to build your email list. That's where the money is. It has the follow-up component into it, and the fortune is in the follow-up. When your leads start to get those follow-up emails, they will get more information, they'll get educated, and as soon as they're ready, a percentage of them should proceed and make this purchase, because there's a tremendous amount of value here. It is simple, it is duplicatable, it is worldwide. It is instant pay direct to you. You get to keep 100% of the profits, and it's affordable. Everybody can afford this, okay? It's an automated system, so I just want to share this with you. This is why when you join Profit Pals Pro prior to August 15th, you're going to want to pick this up. You're going to want to upgrade your lead management and capture paid system before Friday, August 15th, 2025. If you're watching this at the time of this video, you have about 1 week remaining. You'll be able to get the special bonus offer at the bottom of the page. You're only going to have to pay $75 one time and a $15 one-time activation admin fee. $90 gets you this lead capture paid system. But here's the wonderful thing, folks. It is commissionable, okay? Not only are you going to want it, not only do you need it to build your business and build your business the right way for the best results, especially if you're doing any type of paid marketing whatsoever. Even if you're doing social media, folks, you need the system. All right? Because you have to be collecting those leads. That's bottom line, folks. There's no, and if or buts about it. There's no getting around it. But when somebody joins you, they're going to get access to their back office. They're going to see the special bonus offer. They're going to be able to purchase this directly from you, and you're going to be able to make $75. So you have increased your profits, picking up and adding a simple additional income stream. So not only will you be in a position to earn unlimited $50 commissions over and over again, paid instant and direct to you, but you're also going to be able to earn commissions. Again, 100% commissions paid directly to you, 100% $75 over and over again. Now, here's the wonderful thing, folks. After the 15th of August, this price is going to go up. There's going to be a price increase. So you want to pick this up now, ASAP, because 75 is going to go to 100 and 15 is going to go to 21. But you're going to be able to make $50 commissions plus soon to be $100 commissions. So you have the potential. The potential will exist with every new customer that joins you. You can make 50 plus 100 So potentially 150 on each and every new sign up for your Profit Pals Pro business opportunity. That is exciting, all right? So here it is right here, folks. It's located right in this tab right here, special bonus offer that is highlighted. It's the lead capture paid system from and by Profit Pals Pro, okay? You'll be able to get your done for you capture pages and lead management system. There's the info on the pricing and the price increase, okay? So you don't want to sleep on this, folks. You want to get it ASAP. And here's exactly what you're going to get with the one-of-a-kind Profit Pals Pro lead management and capture paid system. A full 10-message autoresponder series branded to you, a built-in lead management system to track all of your leads. You're going to actually, there's 8 ready-to-use mobile-friendly capture pages with more being added soon, plus a way to export all your leads and grow your email list. Very important. Your email list, whether you realize it or not, ultimately is going to be and will be your #1 asset of all time, folks, okay? It's the origin of the cash flow, folks. Coined famous phrase in our industry. The money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. That's why you need this very system here, folks, okay? So, plus, it's commissionable. You're going to be able to get ready to pocket $75 commissions during pre-launch. We're still in pre-launch till the 15th of August, 1 week from now, okay? So, you pay $75 for your reseller license and $15 for your one-time activation. All right, so just wanted to share that with you. You should see my information when you come through if you want to pick this up. So I just wanted to be able to share that with you, okay? So there is the getting started. There is the instructions, okay? So getting started, this is the video right here. You're going to want to start here. Watch this first and foremost. Alrighty, watch this first and foremost. Here is your instructions. You're definitely going to want to review these. It shares all the rank levels with you, how you can rank advance based on the number of new signups, how to enter your payment methods, which is super simple, new member banner details, how the compensation plan works. It has some really nice, sweet leverage built into it. Super exciting. You're off to the races. You're definitely going to want to join the paid Facebook members group, okay? Because there's going to be a lot of resources, a lot of insight built into this Facebook group, and you're definitely going to want to be part of it. You don't have to be an active Facebook marketer to request to join. Just an active current Facebook account will get you into the paid Facebook members group. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you, show you a little bit what you're getting, when you do join. And this is something that I highly recommend because I did upgrade and I did pick this up, folks. And I'm so happy that I did, okay, for many, many reasons, because it's going to help my new members, okay? And again, it is commissionable, so you get to increase and boost your income potential earning ability with Profit Pals Pro. So you're not limited to just $50. Soon you'll be able to collect with a potential $150 per new sign up, paid sign up, alrighty? So this is where you can track your downline. This is the marketing resources that is provided through Profit Pals Pro. There's additional ones in the Facebook group, and I will share with you all of my resources when you partner up directly with me. We can connect and have a little strategy session, okay? And I've already shared quite a few of them in my previous video, so definitely go ahead. I appreciate your support. Like this video, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and you'll become one of my subscribers. Get notified every time I upload a new video, especially for Profit Pals Pro, okay? So where to promote, folks? There's flyers that you can download, get printed or print off, postcards that you can download. Just insert your website and you can print these off or outsource them to be printed. They're beautiful. They're double-sided. Here's text ads. There's 4 of them right here that you can utilize. Here's an email letter. So if you have any semblance of any kind of warm email contact list or an actual email contact list, this would be excellent swipe copy for you to swipe and deploy and use, okay? It already has your link built into it. Just be sure it's clickable when you send this out. This is a tool that I love, okay? And you can use this. You can use this wherever you want for any type of form of email marketing, solo ads, safe lists, mailing lists of any kind. FFA confirmation emails, personal emails, any kind of email marketing, okay? You just simply click here. This eliminates all the guesswork out of the equation. You don't have to know how to write emails. They'll write high response, high converting emails on your behalf. This little email ad tool generator. Click this little icon, generate your ad right there, folks, okay? You want another one, and then you just copy paste it. You want another one, click here again, generate the ad. You want another one, click here again, generate your ad. Really fun, folks. Okay, lots of great value for a one-time $50. Admin fees only $12.95, folks. Unheard of what you're getting, okay? You're getting a great product, you're getting a great system, and you're getting something bottom line that works, that converts. And that's what you want. And then there's a ton of banner ads here. You just copy the code into any banner site, all right? So I just wanted to share that with you, the marketing. Again, here is going to be your product. So this is where you're going to be able to access it. Yes, this does come with a product. It is product-based. It's digital in nature, okay? It's called the 5K formula. You're going to get access to the CEO Wealth Formula PDF download. Download it right here. Make money or make excuses. This great MP3 course right here. Okay, series 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're also getting Mentors in Motion, Makers of Millionaires, the Heavy Hitters cheat code. This, folks, sells for $499. It's yours today when you get started for just $50. It's all inclusive. All right. It is comprised of 3 hours, 35 minutes, and 16 seconds in duration. It's a full-blown audio training course. Everything that it consists of is highlighted right here, folks, okay? Right here. And then you can download the MP3 set below, Mentors in Motion, 4-part series. Plus, you're also getting Millionaires Online Audio Magazine Library. Look at all these legends here, folks. I'm sure you recognize the names. Larry Winget, Geoff Stephen, Diane Hockman, Stan Harris, Ray Higdon, Jack Zufelt, Tracy Walker, Greg Gomez, Steph Perez, and Darren Little. And in addition, you're getting a full, complete, comprehensive mindset training 3-part audio training series. Video 1, Video 2, Video 3, and Video 4. All on mindset transformation in series 1, 2, and 3, and how to attract prospects to chase you, where you become the attractor factor instead of the other way around. And this is exactly how you want it to be, folks. Okay? So this is everything you're getting with your product. Okay? Everything you are getting. Now, special bonus offer. Lead capture paid system. It's all here. You can take your time, review this. Very, very easy. Okay? Very, very easy to review. Okay? $75 you save. $25 prior to the 15th. Now, these are the capture pages. Let me show these to you. Look. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Currently, at the time of this video, there's 8 in total. We have a freedom theme, we have a lifestyle theme, lifestyle 2 theme, lifestyle 3 theme. Now these seductive marketing 1, seductive marketing 2 are ideal for any form of paid click traffic. They work like a charm with solo ads. If you're doing safe lists, if you're doing solo ads, any kind of paid click traffic, folks, you want to either choose version 1 or version 2. And then we have these 2 down here. So let me just show you what this looks like, okay? Here it is right here. I have it activated, and voila, there it is. You're about to learn secrets that most people will never know about marketing. The 5K formula has the power to help you attract everything you want into your life. Fill in the form below to get immediate access, your name, email. Click here. Yes, I want more information. This is going to simply do a redirect to your done-for-you Profit Pals Pro sales page that you can review. You want to get started, you go to that page, and you just scroll down to the very, very bottom, and you proceed, and you complete steps 1 and then step 2. It's very, very easy, okay? So we're going to go back here. All right, and let me just share with you one more. Let's look at this one here, okay? There's the lifestyle version 2 or version 1. And you just click on this link to see what it looks like. Just enter in your name and best email address. And there's a cool little sizzle video that accompanies this, folks. Look at this. To help pique interest and curiosity. You ready to start living the bill-free lifestyle? Join thousands that have already doing it. Just opt in now and watch how to create instant cash deposits within minutes, folks, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. This is exactly what you will be getting, okay? So these are the capture pages right here, available. They're done for you. They're completed. You just take this link, and I would encourage you to do a simple redirect. Get a domain name from like GoDaddy, that's who I use, or Namescheap, and just do a simple redirect, okay? So that's all you have to do, folks. You get all these beautiful pages and so much more, okay? So there they are. There is the lead manager, so it'll track all of your leads, link creator, all this great information and access to these wonderful, wonderful resources. Okay, so this is the system right here, and this is exactly what you're getting. You're getting the 10 series autoresponder messages, all branded to you, built-in lead management system to track all your leads, which is very important. 8 mobile friendly, ready to go, done for you capture pages, redirecting to a simple done for you sales page. You don't have to do any setup. There's nothing to download. It comes ready to go right out of the gate. Okay. And a way to export all your leads, grow your email list. It's going to be building that done for you email autoresponder. Super duper easy, folks. Super duper easy. So with that being said, folks, plus it's commissionable. It's truly a win-win any way, shape, or form you look at this. So go now to dailypaybeginshere.com. Any questions, text or call me. Look forward to hopefully seeing you soon inside of our Facebook community. It's an awesome place. We're growing it like crazy. You're going to absolutely love this. It's a fun side hustle. This is the busy season. It's here for you, for your taking, to help you increase and boost cash flow for whatever reason you need it. This is the time of year, folks. This is our busy season. You want to get in. You want to get in today. Trust me, everybody can do this. Everybody can afford this. It is $50 one time plus $12.95 admin. You're looking at like $62.95. Simple math, folks. Okay? So with that being said, you'll see my payment methods. I accept Square, credit cards, debit cards, Cash App. I can also do PayPal, Venmo, Wise, you name it, folks. I am flexible. I'm here to help you any way I can. And yeah, this is a special bonus offer. I want you to be made aware of it as soon as you get access. You're going to want this because you need a way to build an email list. You need a way to have your leads followed up on regularly, consistently, ongoing. Plus, why not boost and increase your commissions from $50 to soon to be $100, $150 potential for every new customer that joins you in Profit Pals Pro. Thank you so much. Daily Pay begins here. .com. The link is here. You might have to retype it into your browser. In either case, let's get you going. Let's get you going today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Welcome to the team in advance. Bye-bye.